सेठू जाई देखि पारे बहुत सुंदर पानी ओढुची और बहुत सुंदर लागु व्यू पूरा एकदम व्यू फुल एन्जॉय।
अगर आप रायकिया मंडासुरु आ रहे हो तो इट्स मस्ट विजिट प्लेस।
And even if you are coming to Darimbadi also,
अच्छा है वाटरफॉल।
so ये सजेस्ट कीजिए कि ऑडियंस को आना चाहिए कि नहीं।
आना तो जरूर चाहिए।
होने की मान तो कोई ठीक माने तो Hello everyone, welcome to another video and I hope you all are doing well and fine. And today's video is all about Mandasuru waterfall. We'll be exploring Mandasuru waterfall and today's date is 28th of September. It is rainy season and I hope there will be water. I have heard that, so let's go, let's explore, let's see how. And if anyone is coming to Kandhamal, please do plan out this location to visit because this is one of the beautiful waterfall in Kandhamal. So stay tuned till the end and watch this video till the end to know more details about this place and how it looks. It's been some years and Odisha tourism is increasingly developing so well, and the tourism of Odisha is developing, and Kandhamal district plays a vital role in Odisha tourism because there are different beautiful mountains, waterfalls in different places which is included in Odisha tourism, and many outsiders also visit Kandhamal and there are beautiful destinations as well. So today we are traveling to Mandasuru, the silent valley of Odisha. It was a Sunday afternoon and me and my friends were excited to visit this place. And it was also raining and the road looked so beautiful, and I'm damn sure if you are coming in this monsoon or post monsoon, you will love this district and love the roads of Kandhamal. So we have reached Raikya town now. We had started from Jivudayagiri, and from Jivudayagiri the distance of Mandasuru is approximately 35 to 37 kilometers. So if anyone is planning to come from Barampur, and if you're coming through Kalingya, you have to come through Jivudayagiri and Raikya, then Mandasuru. And if anyone is coming to Darimbadi from Sorara district, you can also come and visit this place, and that distance will be approximately 40 to 50 kilometers. So if you're coming and reaching the Raikya town, before police station there will be way left side, and there will be a signboard which will be directing you to Mandasuru, and from here the distance of Mandasuru is approximately 10 kilometers. You have to cross few villages before reaching Mandasuru, and if you are coming from city or if you are living in city, then I am damn sure you will love the view of the roads before reaching Mandasuru. Hello everyone, and we have reached now. So यहाँ से आपको 1 या 2 किलोमीटर ट्रैक करके जाना पड़ेगा नीचे. So if you can see, this is way to like the waterfall. यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, and गाड़ी के लिए वहाँ मतलब there is no parking here, so you can I have parked my vehicle there. पर आप अगर 4-wheeler लेके आते हैं तो you can park it there in that main road. और बाइक में अगर आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ पार्किंग के लिए है. And let's go inside and see how it is. And यहाँ the entry fees is 10 rupees per person. Okay, 400 meters, not 1 kilometer, 400 meters. कौन सीढ़ी ठीक है जी ना रास्ता पत्थर सीढ़ी है तो. बट अगर आप मतलब वहाँ नीचे चढ़ना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए तो यहाँ अंकल लोग दे रहे हैं, सो यू कैन up that far also. So you'll see the greenery, and these are my friends. This is my, I think, third time maybe I'm coming here, and Mongolo, first time.
Yes.
So Mongol Bhai is coming with me. This is the first time, and you can like follow him on his Instagram page. आप screen में देख सकते हैं उनका Instagram handle. So please do follow him because he is a photographer, videographer, and he does good content. So you can follow him on Instagram for good content. So Mongol, what is your experience? How are you excited for the waterfall?
फास्ट टाइम आसुଛି ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ୱାଟରଫଲ୍ କେମିତି କ'ଣ ଥିବ ଚାଲିବା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
दिस इज ए स्लोपी वे, एंड यहाँ अगर देख सकते हैं तो इट्स लाइक द वेज ऑफ स्टोन्स, पत्थर का है, पर बी केयरफुल बिकॉज इन द रेनी सीजन इट विल बी स्लीपरी, सो बी केयरफुल। सो दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड इन द इनिशियल एंट्रेंस में कि अगर आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए तो आप ले सकते हैं वहाँ से, इट विल बी स्लीपरी। सो आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द वे देयर। I'm excited. As this year it had rained heavily, you can see the greenery around everywhere.
ମୋ ସ୍ଲିପର ଦେଖେ ଯଦି ଖସିବ ମୋ ଗୋଡ଼ ଦିଟା କେମିତି ବାହାରିବ ଦେଖିଛୁ ନା ନାଇଁ, ଏମିତି ବାହାରିବ ପୁରା ଏମିତି ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିବ, ପାଦ ଦିଟା ଯେମିତି ଥିବ ଆଗରେ ସ୍ଲିପରରେ।
So
ତମର ଆଗରେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ଅଛି, ମୋର ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ତ।
आप लोग सुनिए, अगर आप आ रहे हैं, this is one more thing I would suggest you, if you are coming, please take care of your shoes as well. If you have grip on the shoes, wear that, क्योंकि it's, if you'll see, it's slippery here, so it's better to wear shoes those which have grips, so that would help you to walk down. This is what we are almost there.
Hi guys.
କୋଉଠୁ ତମେ କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଛ? ରାଇଗାରୁ। ତମର ତ ରେଗୁଲାର ଆସୁଥିବ ଏଇଠୁକୁ, ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଟିକେ କହିଦିଅ, ସେୟାର କର ଟିକେ।
ବର୍ଷା ହେଇଗଲା ନା ତ କ୍ଲାଉଡ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ହଉଛି, ଆଉ ସେଠୁ ଯାଇକି ଦେଖିପାରିବେ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପାଣି ପଡୁଛି, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଲାଗୁଛି, ଭ୍ୟୁ ପୁରା ଏକଦମ ଭ୍ୟୁ ବହୁତ ଦେଖି ପାରୁଥିବେ ପୁରା କେମିତି ଉଦା ହେଇଯାଇଛୁ ଆମେ ସବୁ।
Great, thank you.
Hi guys.
So that is the excitement आप लोग देख सकते हैं। It's too, people are too excited. These are the local boys from here, and those who were enjoying. So we are almost there, and see the view. It's mesmerizing, literally mesmerizing, and it's great. Finally, I think you can hear the voice. Okay. Can hear my voice or not, and but I have come up, just trying to climb up there. So Mongolu is going to climb, so it's the struggle is literally real, and we are trying to explore more, and that is the true happiness. So we are going there, so let's see. हम अभी ऊपर जाने के लिए ट्राई करते हैं, पूरा ऊपर, फिर वहाँ से यहाँ तक इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट। अभी वहाँ से वहाँ ऊपर पे जाएंगे, बट इट्स स्लिपरी, सो आई विल ट्राई। पीपल डोंट ट्राई दिस बिकॉज इट्स रिस्की, बट इफ यू वांट यू कैन, बट इट्स योर ओन रिस्क। सो नाउ Monglu bhai is climbing, so I'll too also try to climb there. So it was a great experience. I hope you are liking this video because abhi you can see I climbed up, so it's difficult to climb up because ये थोड़ा नीचे है, but it was a great experience. You could, if you want, you can go, but पानी का speed थोड़ा है, so be careful, and it's slippery as well. So if you are going there, be careful with everything because wherever you go, we should take care of ourselves first, then of the nature. So I hope you are liking this video till now. Thank you for being there till now. So now we'll go to the Mandasuru nature camp, and as everyone knows, Mandasuru is the silent valley of Odisha. So I'm enjoying it. So stay tuned till the end. And we have reached the starting point जहाँ से एंट्री होते हैं. So I don't know if we're closing the door. Let's see. Let's ask, is there any timing or anything? एड़ा केतला बंद होउछ बे? 5 बंद होउछ. हां हां. हेले सकाळू माने केतला भी आसिले बना टाइमिंग कोन सकाळू खुली? हां? सकाळू 7 9 भितरे 5 जाए. Great. So यहाँ एक छोटा सा दुकान भी है. So you can have water here, some snacks and all. So आपण एठी राई के आपण करो.
मोर एठे दिगे बेटा को.
ओहो. केतला आसुनी सकाळू?
सकाळ 8 9 बेला.
ठीक है. ए कोन अछि?
वर्तमान अछि झालमुड़ी अछि.
हां.
आ पानी बोतल एठी मिलिबो आ लेंबू शरबत मिलिबो, किंतु लेंबू शरबत आ पानी बोतल ता रखा हेलानी. टाइम हेलानी 5 टा
बंद होउछ ना. हां हां हां. ठीक अछि ठीक अछि. पानी बोतल भी नाही थाले. अछि
देबा के
पानी बोतल केते? सो यहाँ एक भैया भी हैं, मतलब जो पानी, स्नैक्स, नींबू पानी ऐसा कुछ ही इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग. सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग हियर कि इट्स हियर. सो यू ऑलवेज हैव दैट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल हियर. सो थैंक्स टू देम एज वेल. सो मंगलू भाई इज़ फाइनली हियर. मंगलू भाई, आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में?
बहुत अच्छा है वाटरफॉल.
सो ये सजेस्ट कीजिए कि ऑडियंस को आना चाहिए कि नहीं?
आना तो जरूर चाहिए, अच्छा है.
ओह थैंक यू. तो ये मंगलू भाई का फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था. ही फर्स्ट टाइम विजिटेड. मैं तो आया था 2-3 बार. सो दैट्स व्हाट, इफ़ यू वांट टू कम विजिट पोस्ट मानसून के बाद ही पानी वानी रहता है उतना. नहीं तो मैं जब आया था समर टाइम में, मई समथिंग, उतना नहीं था. सो इट वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. एंड ये सुबह 7 बजे से 5 बजे, इवनिंग 5 बजे तक खुला रहता है. सो अभी आप देख सकते हैं इट्स ऑलरेडी टाइम, इट्स ऑलरेडी आई थिंक टाइम इज़ अराउंड 5:03 PM. सो दे आर क्लोजिंग द गेट्स. सो इफ़ यू आर कमिंग, डू कम अर्ली सो दैट यू विल एंजॉय दैट मच. अदरवाइज आपको फिर वो लोग बुलाते रहेंगे. सो आई होप यू आर लाइकिंग दिस वीडियो. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. अभी हम जाएंगे मंडासोर नेचर कैंप. सो टिल देन विल मीट देयर. Wheels, where are your wheels? Scramble on wheels. This is Scramble on wheels. You can see his Insta handle and YouTube channel name here. So please do subscribe his channel as well because he is also creating content. So Gokon Kumar Sahu, what is your experience? Could you please share with my audience?
अगर आप राइकिया मुंडासुरु आ रहे हो तो इट्स
Worth.
must visit place.
And even if you are coming to Darinbadi also, it's around, I think, 30 to 40 kilometer. So you can come visit if you are coming to Darinbadi as well. And if you are coming with your four wheeler, ऐसे गाड़ी पार्क मत करना क्योंकि it will be difficult if someone, अगर आपसे पहले कोई आता है तो उसको गाड़ी निकालने के लिए दिक्कत होता है. After exploring and enjoying the waterfall, we started to move towards the Mandasoru nature camp, which is around 2 to 3 kilometers from the waterfall. टिकट कितना? और पार्किंग में कितने?
गर्मा गर्म पानी पी लो.
पार्किंग पानी भी 10
अच्छा.
हिंदी बोल दो इला.
So entering into the nature camp, like those who are coming, so you have to book it through the website of ecotourism Odisha. And अगर आप घूमने के लिए अंदर आना चाहते हैं तो the ticket fare is 10 rupees and for parking also 10 rupees. And we have entered the nature camp or the ecotourism Mandasoru. So cottages is there, it's available those who want to come for a stay. And I think there is no network. I'll check because अगर आपको सोशल मीडिया से, नेटवर्क से, सिटी लाइफ से डिटॉक्स होना है, you can. But I think अभी there is network. Okay, मैं जब आया था तब नेटवर्क नहीं था. This time I'm seeing that I think टावर वगैरह लगा हुआ है, तो it's good that you can like contact with your loved ones. So this is it. And यहाँ जो भी वर्कर्स है वो सब सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप जो अपना श्री नवीन पटनायक जी स्टार्ट किए थे इन दैट मिशन. एंड they all are like working here and that's beautiful to see. गुले लोग नेगी मान जर तो कोई ठीक माने तो ମୋ ଘର ଉଦୟଗିରି. एसएचजी ग्रुप आगा तो हाँ. सो ये सब एसएचजी ग्रुप के माल हो गए, आप देख सकते हैं. एंड वो लोग ये सारा चीज़ें संभाल रहे हैं. सो तो एटा कौन आपन सब बुझुछन सब भितर बुकिंग वगैरह ऑनलाइन होची आपन खाली जा एटी काम हो. अच्छा. So these are the cottages where you can book your stays online. And यहाँ ऑफलाइन में वो बुक नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि ज़्यादातर ऑनलाइन ही दे बुक एंड कम. सो यहाँ कम से कम 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cottages you have here. So you can come and book and stay. It's beautiful stay. Booking online your cottage stay, you have to book through www.ecotourodisha.com. And this is a cottage stay of double bed and you can book through online. And there are 8 cottages in which your stay is available and you can book and enjoy your stay. If you're coming to this place, I'm sure you'll love the serenity, the peace of this place. I suggest everyone to visit this place and enjoy the peace in this great creation of God. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please do like, subscribe and comment and give your feedback.